In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles in HeyGen. Whether you're creating content for a global audience or ensuring your videos are accessible to everyone, adding subtitles can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily do this using HeyGen. First, you'll want to start by heading to your HeyGen homepage. This is your central hub where all your projects and tools are conveniently located, making it easy to navigate and manage your work. Once you're there, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a toolbar with various options. From this toolbar, you need to click on the avatar icon. This will take you to the next step in our process. After selecting the avatar, you'll see an option that says Open in AI Studio. Go ahead and click on this. The AI Studio is a powerful tool within HeyGen that allows you to customize and enhance your video projects with various features, subtitles being one of them. Now, you might need to be a bit patient because the AI Studio can take a few moments to load. Once it's ready, you'll be greeted by a more detailed interface that offers a host of features and tools. Here, you want to keep your eye on the right-hand bar. You'll find an icon for captions there. Click on this icon to proceed. With the Captions tool open, you'll have the opportunity to choose your preferred subtitle style. This is where you can get creative and select a style that best fits the theme and tone of your video. Whether you prefer a clean, minimalist look or something more vibrant and eye-catching, HeyGen provides a variety of options to suit your needs. And that's it. You've successfully added subtitles to your video in HeyGen. With these subtitles, you're not just making your content more accessible, but also enhancing the viewer's experience by ensuring your message is clear and understandable to all audiences. Remember, subtitles can significantly improve engagement and comprehension, especially for viewers who might be watching in a noisy environment or who speak a different language. So, taking the time to add them is definitely worthwhile. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to start adding subtitles to your own projects. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore HeyGen's help resources or get in touch with their support team. Thank you for watching and happy creating.